Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine. Today I will show you how you can create accounting videos for our kids, kindergarten kids, or for preschool kids. Let's start our video. Click on videos, select the dimension, go to design, select number counting videos. You will see a different template. If you can see this one, here is up to 10. You can apply all 11 pages. Simply here is total 11 pages. You can change it according to your need, according to your color, or you can add more things. I want to add something like you can choose sparrow. Is a one, and in number two you can add the butterfly here and duplicate it. In the third one, you can use any other animated image. Here is the three flowers, so I will place over there. Rotate it, increase the size, and I place it over there. So in the similar way, you can go to 4 and select anything. There is a honeybee. So the fifth one, one, two, three, and 4. The sixth one, I duplicate it 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and the third. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So the seventh one is a fish. Now I duplicate it 6 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, and the 7. Now the 8th is a jellyfish. Canva is a very best thing to create educational material for kids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The 9 frog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now the last one is 10. So we need 10. Select the rabbit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the 10. Now our video graphics are complete. The next part is the audio. So there is no audio. I will go to YouTube. I have downloaded the audio, so I will upload the audio. Upload a file. Now the time to add the voiceover. So for the voiceover, I will use the CapCut. It's a CapCut. Go to text portion and write over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All are spaced by comma, text to speech. It will convert into voiceover. Here is our complete video.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Subscribe my channel, share my videos and like my videos. Allah Hafiz till my next video.